Yes, I actually get the question a lot, and the answer is easy yes. But I think the confusion comes in where people start misunderstanding ABIT or adult basic education and training. And it would be with matric as well, because people link matric to it, so we're thinking grade 12. But ABIT is actually from grade triple R up until a grade 9. So that it's actually where ABIT fits into. It's actually created to help people that never went to school, people that dropped out from school, or did not complete a grade 9 or the GETC qualification. So yes, that is our target audience. Again, I always assess. I don't want to assume what someone's level is. Even if someone tells me someone can't read and write, I still assess them, because it has happened where someone is actually like level 1 and not a pre-ABIT type person. Um, so I think it comes down to assessment, but someone that's never been to school has been trained by us many a times. We've probably trained 1 million plus people on that levels. So it is something that Triple E focuses on. It is our business actually, or our main business. And if you have this problem, I mean, obviously a lot of our clients does, you're welcome to contact me and we can set up a meeting.